that people tend to underestimate the value of the community engagement on a webinar. It's kind of a unique scenario. So maybe you have 50 or 80 people on a webinar, and they can't necessarily see each other, and the speakers can't see the audience, so you sort of miss that interactivity that you have with a live event or similar. But the fact that you can jump into the live chat and welcome people and invite them to say something or say where they're from or tell us what role they play in their company, encouraging interaction in the form of questions, encouraging interaction in the form of polls, and then reacting to those polls, it really draws people in, and I think it makes the experience so much more interesting than sitting on a Zoom call where you're multitasking or trying to do something else. The engagement is much higher because of the tools that are in Goldcast, and I think it makes a difference in people wanting to attend webinars.